Hi, this is Brian with Spacebound DIY. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clear the blinking check filter light on your Winix 5500-2 air purification system. Now, something to understand, the reason why this light is blinking is it is detecting that there is a reduced throughput of air going through the system, and it knows that it's time for it to be changed. Very quickly, there are three different filters in this system. You have the pre-filter, you have the activated charcoal filter, which is for odor elimination, and then you have the HEPA filter inside. If you don't know where to get these, I'll put a link in the description below. It goes to Amazon for the page for these. It is going to be an affiliate link, so if you use it, it will possibly get me some sort of commission to help support the channel. Just know that I do very much appreciate it. So enough of that. So very simple process. You can use a needle. I like to use this little pin tip on my tool set, and I can put a link to that below as well. Again, everything helps. So you just place it right there in the reset. You press that in and you hold it until you hear the beep, and just like that, the light has gone off. Now this will typically, left my tip there, this will typically go off at about the 12-month mark. Again, it's not a time-based, it's based on air throughput. So if yours goes off a little earlier than 12 months, that just means that the air that it's filtering is a little dirtier than average. It may go a little longer, your air is a little cleaner than average, but that's really all there is to it. That's about it, and thank you for watching. If this helps you, please hit that like button. That does help other people find this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.